Hey guys, Mike with TV Parts Today. I'm going to be showing you how to remove the back as well as the boards out of this Samsung unit. It is a UN40NU7100F. As always, give us a call at 1-800-203-7484 to order any parts, and let's get into it. All right guys, once you have your TV flipped over on its back side, this one's going to be a screwless removal for the back of the television set. All you're going to need is a screwdriver and a spudger. It'll make your life a whole lot easier, so that way it keeps you from breaking any of the clips as well as the bezeling on the back of this. What we're going to do with this screwdriver, whenever you take a look at the bottom, you'll actually see an entryway, just a little opening here on the back of it. We're going to fit our screwdriver in there just enough so that way we can get some leverage, get our spudger up underneath of it. Once you have that inserted, just lift up, and you can kind of hear some of those clips giving way already. Get your spudger underneath of it, and just go along the side here. You'll kind of hear those clips remove as it goes. Slide it right across the top here. You kind of hear those go. We'll probably have to give it a once over once we're finished up here. There we go. We got one side done here. Looks like the back of this is good. I think all we've got left is this top portion. Let's do a once over with our spudger. Get the rest of those clips lifted up and off. And that is our back. We're going to start with our main board here. If we just take a gander, we've got 1, 2, 3 clips here on this side and then 2 down here at the bottom. What we're going to want to do with this is remove this speaker. It's just held in by 2 plugs here on the side. Just lift that up and then we can have access to this plug, both of these here actually. We're just going to pinch down on the top, pull that straight out, and then our speaker is free. And then on this guy here, same situation, we're just going to pinch down on the top to release that latch and then pull this plug straight out of there. These on the side, flip up the flap, shimmy the ribbons on out. This guy here going directly to the power supply, we're going to pinch on the sides and pull it out. There we go. And this is another one of those screwless boards. We just need to take a look around through here and find our nubbin. Looks like it's right here. So what we're going to do is lift up on this board and slide it this direction to get it over that hump. And just like so, this board comes out. This little flashing here on the side, you can remove from this board in case you are swapping your boards out at home. And you can pop this guy right onto your new main board. And there we have that one. All right, moving on to the power supply. We've got this plug here, and that is going to be the only plug we're going to need to remove. If you take note, we will have one screw that we will need to remove first before we actually can get this board out of the set. So first things first, with this plug, we're just going to pinch it on the sides, pull it right out, and there it goes. It's pretty simple. Let's get this screw removed. And take a look for our nubbin, which is right here on the corner. We also need to press down to release the lever on this little latch here. So if you can do this with one hand, it'd be a lot easier. To press that, lift up on this side, get that over that nubbin, and slide it off to the side here. And there we have it. Another pretty simple video today. As always, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you do subscribe to the channel, your first order will qualify for 20% off. Thanks, and we'll see you next time.
Thank you for watching another TV Parts Today repair video. If you have a question regarding your TV repair, post a comment and we will try to help. And don't forget, you can help us and stay up to date by subscribing, liking, and sharing our content. Also, check us out on Facebook for exclusive promo codes.